Hello, everyone, I am the after-sales engineer of high-tech bending machine, and now I am explaining the tutorial of 69T bending machine system. The top is the title bar, the right is the mode bar, and the bottom is the navigation bar. The first step in programming is to go to this interface. In the mode bar on the right, make the corresponding selection button. In the first mode button, the first is DXF, for the perspective of 2D graphics mode. And the second is the perspective of 3D graphics mode. In the second mode button, the first is product programming, that is, drawing programming, and the second is data programming. To enter the data programming page, first do a file name. Describe the name of the file. Enter the corresponding data in the lower position as required. Next, choose the upper mold and the lower mold. Click Program below to enter the programming interface. Fill in the bending value position. The system will automatically calculate the corresponding value. Fill in the bending angle. The system will automatically calculate the corresponding value. Automatic values can also be modified. On the right are the numerical parameters of the auxiliary axis. These are the values of x1, x2, r1, r2, z1, and z2. In the mode bar on the right, click the plus symbol at the bottom to increase the number of bends. There are two ways to save the configured data, one is automatic saving, and the other is manual saving. Now it is the automatic mode under the computer, the database and the mold library are stored in the U-disk. The second way is to create a shared folder, save the file in the shared folder, and then open it from the bender system. Click Product Programming on the right, name the program, describe the program, and edit the corresponding parameters at the bottom. Next, adjust the bending size and bending angle by increasing and subtracting. Click the button on the left to enter the 3D effect view of the workpiece. After setting up, click Tool Setup. Select upper die and lower die. The demo page is displayed. In the upper left corner of the bending step, green indicates that it can be bent, yellow indicates that there is interference but it can also be bent, and red indicates that it cannot be bent. Click to enter the 3D presentation. According to the requirements, different perspectives of the mold demonstration. These are the first and second reference points for the rear stopper. The position of the rear stopper can be moved. Click the one-touch restore button, and the rear baffle will return to the original position. After data adjustment, copy the interface to the device for subsequent data programming. Click the settings below to enter the settings interface. Data adjustment and language switching can be performed according to different requirements. Click on the material to add and delete the material library. Backup restore. Programming settings. Default value. Calculate the settings. Product settings. Production time is calculated. Set the time. These are the interfaces of corresponding parameters such as mold library, and corresponding data can be adjusted according to needs. The button in the lower right corner is the system manual, which explains it in great detail. Today's version is for computers. The service code is 25789. The operation of the 69T system of the bending machine has been explained. If you have any other problems, you can contact our after-sales engineers to help you solve them.